not many resources out there on how to change the earpads on the MPOW H19 model headphones. The earpads that come in the original headphones are actually glued onto this plastic ring. This ring is what attaches the earpads to the headphones themselves. Most of the replacement earpads I came across simply press into the headphones, or they tuck into a gap on the headphones for other models. Here I was not confident that I was supposed to rip off the glued pads from the plastic ring, and I'm hoping this video gives someone the confidence that they need. First, twist off an ear pad by holding onto the hard area near the base of the pad where it attaches. This is the plastic ring that you're holding onto. Twist counterclockwise, only about an inch. You'll feel it release and you can pull it away. This is the plastic ring which you need to keep to attach your new earpads. The next step is the point of no return, so make sure you have your new earpads already. I bought mine online for about $13, so I'm saving a lot of money here. This is the fabric version. Just make sure the pads you choose specifically mention compatibility with the MPOW H19. Since this is the point of no return, consider watching this video all the way through before proceeding. The pad is only lightly glued to the plastic ring, so scraping and pulling off the soft part should not be too difficult. Scrape around the edge, then flip it over and rip off the remainder. It will feel like you're destroying it, and you are. You only need to preserve the plastic ring. Make sure you note which side of the ring faces the ear pad. Now we can attach the new ear pad to the ring. Take your time with this. Gently tuck one edge of the ring into the ear pad lip. Then work your way around, gently pulling the lip around the ring. Smaller fingers actually work great for this, or you could try a crochet hook to get under the ring and pull out the ear pad lip. Now reattach the pad by aligning the grooves in the plastic ring to the notches on the headphones, and twisting clockwise until it clicks in securely. Again, be sure to grip by the hard plastic so you don't put any extra wear on your new earpads. Repeat this process for the second earpad and you're done. I hope this helps someone. Let me know in the comments how it went, and please in the comments also share any additional tips you find.